Earth, our beautiful blue planet. But have you ever wondered why life flourishes here and not on the fiery Venus or the frozen Mars? The answer lies in something scientists call the Goldilocks Zone. The Goldilocks Zone is the perfect distance from a star where conditions aren't too hot or too cold, but just right for liquid water to exist. And where there's water, there's the potential for life. But Earth isn't the only planet with a Goldilocks zone. In our galaxy alone, there are billions of stars, and many of them have planets in their habitable zone. Scientists call these planets exoplanets. One of the most fascinating is Kepler 452b, a super-Earth orbiting a sun-like star about 1,400 light-years away. It's 60% larger than Earth and could have liquid water on its surface. Imagine an alien world with oceans, rivers, and maybe even life. Every discovery of an exoplanet brings us one step closer to answering the ultimate question: are we alone in the universe? What do you think? Could there be another Earth out there? Let us know in the comments below.